And for the first time in history, NASA and the Philippines tied up for a joint undertaking. And this is none other than a mission to better understand the weather by learning more about clouds. Bim Santos is back with more.
For the Philippines, a developing country where progress is often set back by vicious storms, lives and livelihood count on the science to further be better. However, the science of reading the sky could be a hit-and-miss affair, as weather forecasts could veer off course at a moment's notice. This could all change now with the landmark tie-up between the Philippines and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, or NASA. The milestone collaboration is called Cloud, Aerosol, and Monsoon Processes Philippines Experiment, or CAMP-X. It is a project that took 3 years to execute in the Philippines and 10 years to conceptualize. Scientists are now hoping to find more insight on how the weather behaves in an unexplored area, that is smoke and clouds.
When we know the characteristics of the particles na meron tayo, may idea na tayo kung gaano ito kabilis mag-form. So magkakaroon tayo ng idea na this type of rainfall ay ma-forecast natin ng maaga. Yung may mga precursor na information so that would lead to shorter.
With the help of these two aircraft, the Philippines and NASA are hoping that the sky will provide more answers to help improve our understanding of how the weather and climate behave. Knowledge that will be highly invaluable to a storm-battered country like the Philippines.
The Manila Observatory and the U.S. Naval Research Laboratory also joined Pagasa and NASA in CAMP-X. The interdisciplinary team flew 2 NASA aircraft, a jet and a turboprop, since August to gather data from clouds near the Philippines.
After the aircraft measurements are done, all sorts of new technologies are going to be brought to bear that are going to be able to improve weather and climate prediction within the Philippines.
It took 3 years to put up the project, and it will take years again to make sense of the data for possible answers.
Overarching end game for this experiment will be to improve significantly our understanding of the processes that come into place in the formation and development of clouds, but the key is how the clouds and the aerosol interact in forming the weather that is coming to take place, because it's one of the single biggest sources of uncertainty in our assessment of climate evolution.
Bim Santos, we are One News.